What up, tube? Today is Thursday, July something or another. Just give you guys a little rundown of what happened yesterday. Yesterday I got home from Vegas, went by the shop, do the box, take care of some things. Got some really bad news yesterday. One of my best barbers, none of the younger barbers. My apprentice who just became a barber maybe 2 months ago. He's leaving the shop, quit, moving down the street, going to another shop down the street, maybe 2 miles away. Yeah, he's my biggest earner too. So apparently he doesn't like paying commission, so he's gonna go to a booth rental place. Yeah, well, what can I say, guys? When you're down, dude, and when you're down, people like to kick you, So, hey, you guys already know I'm fucking short-handed, super short-handed. Down to 4 barbers, now I'm down to 3 barbers, and he's probably my biggest earner. You know what I mean? Like, this is a learning experience for you and for me, guys. For me, not so much, because trust me, this is not the first time this happened to me. I've been in this business already for 16 years, and I've been a shop owner already for going on 9 years, and it's not the first time that one of my best barbers just gets up and leaves in the middle of the night. You know what I mean? It happens. It's going to happen to you guys. For you guys that are going to be barbershop owners, one day you think things are going hunky-dory, and they're not so hunky-dory, because, people are always thinking different things behind your back, and that's just the way it is. This is the nature of the business, there's nothing you can do about it. It is what it is. Yeah, you can be mad and you can be angry, like, I'm not gonna lie, I was mad yesterday, super disappointed, because, you entrust people with certain things, you show them things, you give them their chance, give them their first, their first try, like, I got this kid out of high school, I gave him a job when he was still in high school, like, and, build him up, give him that opportunity, and, and then they jam. But, he's young, and that's the way it is. That's the way nature of this business. Everybody's got to make theirs out there. Everybody's got to make the most money out there that you want to, and everybody's got to move on. I'm not angry. I'm not bitter. Disappointed? Yes, very. Did I expect this? Yes, I did. I did. Because, it's funny, because when you bring up somebody into your shop, and it's not that, like I said, it's not the first time this has happened. You bring them in, you build them up into barbers, fine barbers, good barbers, and then attitudes change. All of a sudden, people start thinking that they're doing more than you, or they deserve more than you, or they deserve a bigger cut, or they deserve more. And it's the nature of. It's the nature of the person, I think. When you make a certain amount of money, you want to make more money, and it's even me. Like, I make good money, but I still want to make more money. So you can't be angry at that. Everybody wants to move up. Everybody wants to make more, but what it comes down to, though, guys, is it comes down to accountability. Like, you got to be accountable. You got to think about what's going on at that shop. Like, if you're making really good money and you're going to leave to go to a shop that there's nobody there, and it's a brand new shop, it's not a smart move. Like, yeah, you're going to be paying less booth rental. Like, you're going to be paying less than you are here, but, what are you going to be charging over there? Like, and not only that, you got to think about, like, you think you're giving your number out, and people know where you're going to be at, and, it's a learning process. Everybody's got to go through it, and it happens, and you just got to move on from it, and it is what it is, So right now I'm down to, basically we're down to 3 barbers at the shop, because my daughter's gone, so I'm down to 3 barbers. It's a super busy shop. I'm like, I can't even explain to you guys that 3 guys is not enough. So for now, I'm gonna be working 7 days. I gotta pick up the slack. That's what it is when you're the boss. Like I said, this is not the first time this happened to me. This has already happened to me 3 different times. People just jam, and they get a hair up their butt, and they're gone, dude. And and what can you do? You can't force people to stay here. You can't be an asshole about it. You just you let them walk out, and you got, everybody's got to go live and learn, you know. And there's always a lesson to be learned from everything anyway. So you take it for what it is. I roll my punches. I always roll my punches. So when I'm down, I don't stay down. I get back up. So yeah, I'm down on the ground right now with 2-3 barbers, but you know what, dude? That means that's why I got a second and a third gear. So I'm just gonna pump it up and do what I gotta do to get everybody in and out of here, and do the best that I can, and just keep posting. You know what I mean? Keep posting ads, and hopefully somebody comes through, and somebody that wants to make some money and earn some money and work at a great shop, they'll come through. But in the meantime, I just gonna have to handle it myself and do what I have to do, guys. So I'm gonna go in there today with my positive attitude and just get to work, guys, and see what happens, and just roll with it, guys. And you know what I mean? Guys, for you guys that want to be barbershop owners, trust me, guys, this shit happens all the time. You know what I mean? And it's not that, like, it's not the first time, and I guarantee you it's not going to be the last time this happens. It's probably going to happen again. So you know, it is what it is, and shop says Big Al's out there, and I'm Big Al. So as long as I'm here, it's still Big Al's. That's the way I look at it. So, hey, guys, I'm going to head inside, get to work, and you guys have a blessed day. Grind on. Hey, it is what it is, gentlemen. Let's do this. You know what, guys? I'm a firm believer, and this is, I mean, I'm a firm believer that everything happens for a reason, you know. And you know, it is what it is, guys. You can't sit around and dwell over spilt milk, you know. You gotta clean that shit up, get everything cleaned up, and get back to work. You know, that's what it is. This is the way life is. Life is never perfect. Nothing's perfect in this world. Nothing. So if you own a business, your business will never run perfect. You know, we have to do what we have to do to get it to run the right way. And you know, you gotta roll with the punches and just keep moving, guys. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and cry and dwell on things. So we move on and life goes on. So I'm not gonna talk about this no more. Done venting to you guys. Today's the first day of this little situation that I have. So we're gonna build from this and take, you know, me myself, guys, I like to take positives from everything, you know. Even when there's a negative, you take a positive out of that negative to make things, you know, so that things are going the right way. So always stay positive, guys. That's the best thing. That's my best advice for you in situations like this. Stay positive, and remember that this business, I started it. I'm the one that built it. I'm Big Al. So when you're that person, then you know what? They're here for you. So, you know, yeah, I'm gonna lose a lot of customers right now, but you know what? And in the end, some come back, and it's always like that. That's why I keep that happy face and I greet everybody. I always greet everybody when they come in, and you just, you know, it is what it is, guys. That's life. Nothing's perfect. So I'm gonna head back to the shop right now. Just got to the bank, did my banking already for the week. I'm gonna go back to the shop and go help out the boys and finish off this day strong. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
What up, tube? Okay, guys, that's it for today. It was a crazy day, and we ended it strong. Me, Fido, and Tone, we held it down. Super busy, of course. But you know, guys, it is what it is, guys. You know what? From everything that happens in life, there's always a lesson to be learned, and it's up to you whether you learn your lesson or not. You know, and you know, you just grind on, and life goes on, guys. You know, there's positives in everything, guys. We'll get some more help in here, and we'll survive. You know, that's what we do. This is what the barber life is all about. When you're short-handed, you know what? You just gotta pump it in out of his second gear and get it done. And that's what we do here. I got help coming already. I already hired another barber, so we're back to 4 barbers again. So you know, it's good, guys. You know what? God is good, guys, and that's all it is. You know, if you guys believe, everything falls into place, and you know, He's only gonna give you what we can handle, and I'm not tripping, guys. Everything's good. With that being said, guys, on another positive note, guys, we are at 294 subscribers right now. Only 6 more. 6 more subscribers, guys. 6 more subscribers, and you guys will get that GTX modified scalatorized trimmer that I've been bragging about for a while already. I'm gonna do a video on that. As soon as we hit to 300, I'm gonna do a video on that machine again one more time. And with that video, everybody's gonna have to subscribe, and everybody's gonna have to comment on it, you know, if you guys want to win it. Okay, so all we need is 6 more subscribers, and I'm gonna hit 300. Super excited about that, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any opinions, let me know. Did I handle this right? I mean, hey, guys, you know what? And Alex, if you're watching this, buddy, I have nothing but love for you, bro. You're a great kid. You're a good man, and you're a great worker, dude. And you got nothing but a bright future, brother. You know what? Good luck, bro. And hey, guys, I'll see you guys mañana.